Hi folks, I welcome you back to Global Education Zone, and today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to draw the development of a prism when it's joined together with another prism in the same in this way. So this is the prism B, this is prism A. Now I want to draw the development of prism B when it is joined together with a prism A. So they are both square prisms. So the first thing to do is basically you have to draw a straight line through each of these and so this is center line, so this is also the center line. I'll take in the center line now. So this is the question, so we need to draw the development. So the first thing, just need to project the sides and project the sides to the left so that we can get the true shape. Now next thing is, let's pick a point. Let's pick this point for example. So we're going to draw the shape of the surface perpendicular to this side. So we draw the shape of the surface. How does that surface look? That's what we want to get. That's what we're trying to get here. So basically we just need the length. We have this, we need the length of the diagonal. So basically let's just see. So in this case, this is the length from here to here. So there are ways of doing this. We could draw a 45-degree line here to get the true length. So this is basically the diagonal here. We don't have the length of, because this is a square, we only get the diagonal. So just draw a 45-degree line. This 45-degree line will meet it. We'll also draw a 45-degree line here. It will give us the true side, the length of the side. Let's stick in that. This is the true length of the side, apart from the diagonals. So there we go. So that's good. Now the next step, let's number these 1, 2, 3, and 4. So it is this one we're not going to be using now. So you can see it now. So this is the true length. So I'll project each of these vertices of the intersecting prism, square prism, downwards. So that's what I will need to use for the need to use that for development. I'll project them downwards. I will need them for development. Project this downwards. Project this downwards. Then this downwards. Downwards. So I guess that's all. So these are the vertices. So let's just extend them downwards so that we can complete the figure. So after doing that, we need to copy the length of the side of the square. So this is true length. So this is length that we got from this construction. So we'll copy this length and then let's pick a point. Let's pick a point, this point here. So I'll count this off 4 times because the square has 4 sides. For each of these sides, we'll count it 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you can now draw horizontal lines through each of the points. This will be the lines that will signify the figure. So I have the horizontal lines. There will be 5 horizontal lines. 3, 4, 5. So 5 horizontal lines. So I have the 5 horizontal lines through each of these points. Now the next step is basically you call this will be our number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, and back to number 1. So the next thing is to do is look at number 1, look at the points where it misses. So this is basically what we get. Number 1, from number 1, okay, right, for number 1 we don't have any intersection here, so it's going to be a straight line. Then at number 2 we have this intersection here, so we have a point here. This is one of the curves. So at number 3 we have both this and this. Though this one is hidden from view, but we still have them. Let's draw them 1 and 2. So at number 4 we have only one intersection, that is this buck. Then we don't have any at number when we get back to number 1. So we just draw a line through each of these points. So this will give us the. So actually this one is this at number 3 we have the back here. That's behind it. So connect this to the back. We are drawing how to look. This is the development of the surface. So this is what will be missing. This is the void that will be left, but this is the solid. So this void is caused by this interpenetrating prism A. So it's A has interpenetrated B. So we'll talk about interpenetration in a separate episode of this course, hopefully. But for today, we just need to talk about intersections. So basically, this is the intersection. Then finally, we need to draw the edges. These are the edges, number 2 edge. So you don't need to draw an edge here in this area because this ordinary space that has been cut out by this prism A. Then this is the development. So this is how to draw the development of 2 square prisms joined together. Thanks for watching.